Their deal is entire store up to 60% off. Gutom na kami guys. Kakalakad. Hindi sa pamimili, pero kakalakad. We're here at North Face and everything is 60% off. Labas na tayo guys para bumaba na yung BP ko. Medyo mataas na eh. Ay, nahulog! Nakaputi ako guys! Nakaputi ako! Hello mga be! Welcome to another vlog! Today is Black Friday! So we're on our way to Camarillo Premium Outlets. We're gonna check out some deals. Papabudol kami guys. Medyo late na nga eh kasi usually pag Black Friday they open early like 6 a.m. or probably 5. I didn't actually check but it's around that time that they open and they have like good deals if you go there early. It's called Doorbusters. So it's usually from the time they open until like 10 a.m. or noon. They have like good deals. But since we left really late because we had so much fun last night, we packed things up around 2ish, close to like almost 3 a.m. and we're so tired, so we need to sleep. That's why we're going there late. I have my wife here and my son here. Are you guys gonna buy a lot of things?
We will see.
Okay. Alright, we'll show you the deals later. We're stuck in traffic. It's been like 30 minutes since we got here and we can't even park. There's no parking and it's traffic, a lot of people. So this is Black Friday for you. Nakapark na kami.
Hi.
Oh, we're here at Shoppers Outlet. Ang saya guys, ang daming tao. Oh, grabe. Let me show you. Hi guys, we're here at Adidas. Let me show you around. Their deal is entire store up to 60% off. Dahan natin yung clearance guys. Check nyo. So usually yung clearance yung madaming may mga magagandang deals din. So it's better to check the clearance first. Ang cute ng kulay guys. So NMD for $74. Ang cute no. Kaya lang for sure yan madudumihan ko to. Ganda guys. So white na white Ultra Boost for $74.97 or $75. So for non-clearance, they're as cheap as $24. Ito, may ibang color siya. But this one's not on sale. It's $70. Ay, may black din, oh. Oh, may white din. Ultra Boost for $90. May iba siyang kulay. Sleepers. Power. Supernova. Naka-clearance. Guys, t-shirts for almost $10. $9.98. So guys, nabudol tayo dun sa Ultra Boost. So instead of $75 $8, we get 20% off pa additional. So it came out to $59.98 or like $60. We're here at North Face and everything is 60% off. I got this camping apparel and it's really cute. It's for $14 each.
$60, 60% off.
Hell yeah.
So we're here at Gucci and I found a scarf that I like, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy it. Ganda mga be. It's $290, but they have a ongoing promotion right now. I think some of the items are 40% off. Gutom na kami guys. Kakalakad. Hindi sa pamimili, pero kakalakad. Kain kami dito sa food truck. They have micheladas. Ayun yung hotdog. Yan. Meron siyang bacon, onions, green peppers, or bell pepper. Tapos they have chicken wings and asada fries. Border dogs. Guys, after 15 minutes, dumating din yung order namin. Let me show you. Hotdog lang naman siya pero ang tagal. Maanghang daw yung jalapeno, wag na natin kagatan, guys. Try natin. Hotdog. Okay. Okay siya pag gutom ka na. Kasi parang matigas na yung bread. I don't know. Kasi parang malamig na rin kasi yung weather. Pero medyo matigas yung bread. Guys, Tory Burch. Laki ng sale. Tingnan nyo. So, they have 50% plus 20% off. Wow. So, I got this shirt for, it says $45, but they have 50% off with an additional 30% off. So, I think I like it. Guys, matindi ang budol dito sa Armani. Mag-Apple Pay tayo. Tumataas sa ata yung BP ko, guys. Mukhang na-hurt ang aking card. Okay, ito yung nabili namin. One, two. Thank you. Okay. Labas na tayo, guys, para bumaba na yung BP ko. Medyo mataas na eh. Okay. Kamusta naman yung jacket mo? Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year! Thank you!
You like it?
Yes, pa!
Okay. So we're here at Converse and this is their sale. So they have 30% off for classic and new arrivals and 50% off of everything else. So these are all 50% off. Kaya wala masyado, okay? This is on sale, oh. Tapos 50% off pa. Right? Yeah. Not bad. It's like $30. Some people do. This is a classic, so it's 30% off.
30% off?
Look at this. Take an additional 50% off for clearance items. Let's see if we can find one. So this is like 84. $84.97. That's 50% off. We're here at Top Chef. This is one of our favorite Korean barbecue places. So we're gonna eat here for dinner. It's an all-you-can-eat, but we'll show you what we usually order there. Let's go!
How about you?
I'm gonna show you the menu. Shadow or beef brisket. Let's try the beef brisket or shadow.
Ininaw pa eh. Naka-short.
Sarap?
Pinangatawanan. Sayang ang
Hindi, biglang lumamig, be.
Ha?
Parang biglang lumamig. This is one of our favorites. And also, partly because of the sauce. It's a homemade sauce, homemade brisket sauce, and it's really good. It's one of the best sauce that we ever tasted. Guys, pork jowl. This is pork jowl. Samjang is it's like sometimes spicy, sometimes mild soybean paste. It's good for dipping.
tutuyo.
Sarap. I hope we're pronouncing it correctly, but we call it number 5. It's jumulog. Guys, jumulog. You can eat it with sauce or without sauce. Yummy. Na-miss ko to, guys. Marinated siya with, medyo may pagka, sweet siya eh. So, I'm guessing meron siyang sugar, like brown sugar, sesame oil. Kasi lasa mo talaga yung sesame oil, ang sarap. So, we also ordered small intestine, scallops, and baby octopus. Let me show you. Baby octopus.
Tagal naman kumulo na to. Pag kumulo yan, pwede nyo na kainin yun.
Sarap naman. Soft siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong chewy.
Siyempre maganda luto eh. Ang namin yun.
Small intestine.
Yung anak na UC Santa Barbara.
Si BBS. Oo, nakita ko nga yan.
More!
You want more?
Almost ready.
Ay na, Joel! Gusto ko, Joel.
Hindi, almost ready to. Papalitan niya na kasi.
Okay. Makareact ako eh. Sinasawsaw ba to?
Hindi.
Ito lang yung kakainin mo, no?
Ayun ka, alam mo.
Scallop! Parang babies. Ay! Ay! Nahulog! Nahulog! Nakaputi ako, guys! Nakaputi ako!
Sarap yung isaw mo, guys. Kaya kailangan lutuin ng malalang sarap ito.
I guess sinawsaw ko na siya, guys.
Baka gumulong ko tsarahin.
Baby scallop. Ang sarap, ang lambot. Ang lambot. Ang sarap. Nagustuhan mo itong baby, octopus.
Spicy. Pero masarap yung scallop.
Scallop, ang sarap, no?
Nasosyal ako bigla eh. Nasosyal ako bigla.
So, shahin tayo sa scallop, be. Octopus ulit. Sarap.
Dito. Yan.
Good job.
Madulas eh.
Udulas ay.
O, ganyan ba? Ang dulas ng scallop, guys. Kutsarain natin. Tsaka para siya kasi may sauce eh, no? Ang sarap din ng sauce. Scallop, guys. Ang sarap. Lambot. So, guys, tapos na kami kumain. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Grabe, I'm so full and so thankful. So, today is very productive day. Naglinis kami ng bahay and pumunta kaming outfit and kumain kami dito sa Top Chef. So, it's very wonderful day. And kung na tong vlog na to, I'll create more contents for you like this. Sana manoodin nyo next time. Magbababay na rin itong mga itong kasama ko. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this as much as we did filming it. Until next time, bye!